Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable developer mode in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you want to enable developer mode, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings and here just scroll down and look for about phone section, tap on it, then tap on software information and here you will get build number. You must have to tap on it for almost 7 times. Just tap on it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you must have to tap on OK. And you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, go for main settings, and you will get your developer options here. Just tap on it to access all of your phone's developer options. So that's how you can easily enable developer mode in your Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.